Hello, this is AJ. I created my code for the currency converter, so I want to walk you through my code. And so I created my header here, as in name Ahmed Javed, instructor Edward Cattern in project currency converter. So the date is 27th of March and in 2024, and I just made a very small description. This Java program implements a currency converter. It converts an amount of money to USD based on given exchange rates. And now I start explaining my code. So I created all my code inside the package delete p. So because I named just my package delete p. I imported hashmap, import java.util.hashmap because I will need hashmap. And after importing that, I created my class, public class currency converter. I named it currency converter. And inside my class, I created some methods. The first method I created is public static double convert to USD. This method is responsible for taking the amount and changing that to USD dollar. And inside this, I have two parameters. I have one double amount and double exchange rate. And inside the body of my method, I just said return amount multiplied by exchange rate. So this method is responsible for giving a number from the user and changing that to USD dollar. After this method, I created my second method, and this is responsible for creating a table in a most stylish way. So in this one gives a bit more design and creates a very clear and readable result inside the table. Public, I named it display conversion table, public static void display conversion table. So I made it static and also static, which is this method is part of this class, and also I made it void, and it because it does not return anything. And after that, I enter two parameters. One is my hash map, and the other is double of amount. Uh, so and inside the body of my method here I use system.out.println and use the string formatting, and here this symbol is it creates a placeholder and this underscore it means alignment left, it means to the left, and 20 is it means the width of the characters, it means 20 characters is allowed and no more than that. And this formatting is for what? For this currency. And after that, I have again this symbol is a placeholder. This one is a left alignment, and 15 is it means 15. The width of the character is 15 characters, and we cannot go more than that. And this is formatting for the exchange rate. And after that, I have again placeholder to the left, 15 characters, and this is for the amount in US dollar. So this line is responsible for creating in a formatted way a table for currency, exchange rate, and amount in USD. And also I wanted to print out a straight line. So I say system.out.println underscore does repeat 50 times. So and this one will be repeated 50 times and it will create it a straight line. And after that, in order for this method, for this formatting, in order to be printed out, it should be iterated over by a for loop. So I have a for loop here. So whenever we want to iterate over a hash map, so we enter the hash map here, and also we should have the entry map.entry, and after that the types of our wrapper class, which is I have to string and double, and I named it entry, and this is the iterable, and which is currency.entry set. Entry set, it's a pair of key and values in a hash map. So all the we have excuse me, we have in hash map all the time a pair of key and value. So and here inside my currencies, I have key and value, in which the key would be the currency and the value would be their exchange rate. So that's why I created a string currency entry, this one that get key. Why? Because the currency would be the get key, and is the key, and the rate, and I created another variable by the name of rate, and I said double rate equal to entry that get value. Get value, and this is responsible for getting the exchange rate or the values. This one is for keys, which are the currencies, and this one for the exchange rate. After that, I created a variable by the name of USD amount and double USD amount equal to. I called this method convert to USD here, and I entered the parameter amount and rate. Again, I created system.out.println. I used that string formatting here again. Placeholder to the left 20 characters for the currency. Placeholder to the left in the 15 characters for the rate, and again my placeholder to the left 15 characters and 2 decimal point. So for that, so because USD amount will have a decimal point floating number, so that's why I used 15.2if. So after creating this method and also this method, I came to my main method. To the main method, this is the main method. Public static void main string args. Inside that, I created a scanner object here, a scanner, and I named it scanner, and equal to new scanner system.in. System.out.println, this is the title of my currency converter. I said currency converter \n, transfer the cursor to the second line. And after that, I said system.out.println, enter the amount to USD. After this title, this one will be printed out to the user. Enter the amount to convert to USD. And when this prompt pops out, there should be a code that takes an input from the user. And this code is double I needed amount, double amount equal to scanner dot next double. This is a built-in method. Whenever the type of the variable is double, we say next double. Whenever it's a string, we say next line, or and also when it's integer, we say next int. And here I came here, I created my hash map, and I named it currencies map, and the type of my wrapper class, or the type of my objects are string and double. I named it currency new hash map. And also I wrote a small note here. Note the date, and the date for getting this conversion rate is March 27, 24. So because I got this from the internet and this date. And after that, I just got this from the internet, so that's why I named it. I entered it here. After that, I wanted to put these currencies and also the exchange rate to my hash map. So the name of my hash map is currencies, and so I used it here, and I used put method. So I used dot put, and after that the key and the value. The key is my currency, and the value is the exchange rate. For all the keys, I have and exchange rate, Japanese yen, and for all of them. So I put it English pound, euro, Japanese yen, South African rand, Canadian dollar with all their exchange rates. At the end, I called conversion table method and I entered the currency and the amount as their parameters. And after that, I closed my scanner, which is a good practice. I sometimes forget, but I remembered it here. And by closing our scanner, our program is done. And this is the code. So let's run this if that works. My console come here. Okay, yeah, so this is the title and enter the amount to convert to USD. So it should print it out inside a very good table. So like change 100 of the other five currencies to USD. Yeah, it has a very nice result. So 100 of this five currencies with the exchange rate of this would be changed to US dollar. English pound, 100 English pound is 136 US dollar. 100 South African with the exchange rate of in this is 6.70 dollar, and 100 Japanese yen with this exchange rate is $0.92 and goes on. And so yeah, if we try one another, like if we try $200, yeah, it gets changed very well by this program. And that's it, and thank you very much.